Hey JETTIE Rockers, welcome to JETTIE Rocks Fishing. Well, it's a beautiful, rainy, overcast, kind of nasty day, so we couldn't do no fishing today. But the other day, I was out with Amber, and we caught some really nice trout. And I'm sure some of you already seen that video. So in that video, we caught a nice little bluefish. And we're going to do a catch, clean, and cook bluefish today. We're going to be making fish patties, or fish cakes, or whichever you want to call them. So real quick, guys, check out this clip of me catching this really big bluefish that we're out there, pretty nice size blue. And then I will see you guys at the cleaning table. Then I'll see y'all in the kitchen. Hooked up. Let me get this out of her way. Where's he going? Keep that rod up high. That's trout. Yep. That's trout. Oh, that's a bluefish. Alright. That's a big bluefish. That's a big blue. Golly. Alright, well there you go. It's a nice blue. Heck. Alright. Not what we were expecting. But we won't complain, to be honest with you.
You make fish dip with it.
Got a big fish dip with him. If you eat them fresh, I really like them actually. Fresh caught bluefish. It's really good. Take a bluefish and you push in the gill plates like that, they'll stop moving for the most part. Same thing with Jack Crevalle's. Makes it real easy. Nice bluefish. Alright, cool. Oh boy. Let's see how many big he is. At the fork, almost 17 inches. Sweet. Nice, babe. High five. All right, guys. Well, we got our nice bluefish here. This is a nice big bluefish that Amber got. So we're going to go ahead and flay them out for y'all. Bluefish are super easy to clean. Super easy fish to clean. Just like that. And fresh bluefish, I don't care what anybody says, is very, very, very good eating. Let's cast, rinse this off. All right, now we got our fillets here. Go in here by the tail, just like any other fish. I'm sorry if there's a little shadow, guys. It's getting to be that time of day. All right. Okay. Cut this rib cage out. Like that. All right, and then what I like to do is come through here, cut this bloodline out. Bit of bones right there, so just cut that out. All right, do the same thing on this side. Just like that, guys. Nice little piece of meat. Do this on the other one here. There we go. Cut that bloodline, I mean that rib cage out. There we go. I'm gonna cut that bloodline out. Same thing here. Alright guys, this right here is what makes a bluefish taste bad. You get rid of this, and when you get ready to cook it, get some of that off if you can, and this will not taste fishy at all. It will taste absolutely delicious, especially if it's fresh. I absolutely love eating bluefish when it's fresh. It's really good stuff, guys. Well, we'll see you guys in the kitchen. Alright, we're in the kitchen. We got our bluefish here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take these pieces, these little fillets, and we're going to put them in a pot of boiling water, salted boiling water. We're going to boil them till they're nice and done. They're going to turn kind of like a whitish color. And then we're going to take them out. We're going to let them cool down for a while in the refrigerator. And then we're going to start putting together some fish patties. Alright guys, well, our fish is cooled off in the refrigerator for about an hour. And we're going to need some salt, some black pepper, 2 eggs, some black and red fish magic, and some garlic powder. Also, you can put onion powder in here if you have it. I just happen not to have it right now. If I did, I'd be using it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a fork. We're just going to mash all this fish up. Just like that. Okay, we got all our fish mashed up. So now we're just going to add in some salt. I like using sea salt. And also we're going to add in some black pepper. Just a little bit. We're going to add in some garlic powder. Brand new bottle here. Like that. And we're going to use up the rest of this black and red fish magic. Alright, there we go. So now we're just going to mix all that up. Now we're going to add in an egg. There we go. Do 2 eggs. All right. Now we're just going to mix all that together. Probably could have got away with just 1 egg. So since it's a little bit runny, I'm going to add in a little bit of flour. Well, I decided to use Italian breadcrumbs instead of flour. Give it a little bit better flavor. This flour is kind of bland. So we'll just put just enough in to thicken this up a little bit. Just a little more. And that looks pretty good. Yep, that's perfect. That's about the right consistency that you want. So you could have got away with just 1 egg, and then you wouldn't have to use any of the breadcrumbs. But since we had a little bit too juicy, we had to put a little bit of breadcrumbs in, but it doesn't hurt the flavor of the fish cakes at all. Alright, I got a pan going right here with some olive oil in it. We'll let this get up to temperature, and then we'll start doing our fish patties. Alright guys, our oil is ready. So we're going to go ahead and make a couple of these up. What I do is I use a spoon. Just pick some up. And I'll put it right in here. And I'll form it together just a little bit. About like that. Same here. Just like this. Alright. And this was two fairly large bluefish. They weren't huge bluefish by any means, but they're pretty decent bluefish. This should make about, I don't know, about 8 patties. I'm making them kind of big. You can put onion in these if you like. You can put any kind of vegetables in them that you want. I'm just making them pretty simple today. And I really didn't feel like going to the store and getting any other ingredients. So I'm just using what I had here. So we'll let these cook a little bit, then we'll flip them over. Alright guys, well, we're going to flip some over. There you go, just like that. Push them down. I like using 2 forks. There we go. Just like that. This one's a little bit bigger. Yeah, if they break apart, not a big deal, guys. Alright guys, these are looking good. These are done. Yep. Remember, the fish is already cooked, so basically all you really need to make sure is done is the egg. But it doesn't take very long for these to cook. Look about like that. Alright, well, I'm going to get the rest of these cooked up, then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I got all my fish patties done. We have a total of 9. This one here broke in half. We have a total of 9 patties, so I'm going to go ahead and get these plated up, and then I will see you guys on the couch. Alright guys, well, here we go. I got my fish patties here. Go ahead and break one of these open for you. Look at that. Oh boy. Looks good, doesn't it? Alrighty. Holy moly. Man, that's really good. This is an absolutely incredible way to do your bluefish. It's excellent. I mean, bluefish really takes really well to this style of fish, cooking fish. It's just like if you had those canned salmons or jack mackerel. I know I grew up as a kid, my mom used to make salmon patties or jack mackerel patties. And this is almost identical, but yet you're using bluefish. It's awesome, guys. Fresh bluefish is really good. It is not a trash fish. I don't care what anybody says. The way I look at it when it comes to bluefish, if you cook a fresh bluefish and it doesn't taste good, it's not the fish's fault. Like a lot of friends I know say, there's no trash fish, just trash cooks. Every fish can be good. It just depends on how you cook it. Not every fish can be fried, deep fried. Not every fish can be baked. Not every fish can be grilled. Not every fish can be poached or whatever. Sometimes certain fish take to certain methods better than others. And this one right here is awesome. This is a very, very good way to eat bluefish. I happen to like it a lot. I want to thank you guys very much for hanging out with me and doing this catch and cook with me today, guys, and just going on these adventures with me and being a part of this channel. You guys mean a lot to me, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. Thank you all for your thumbs up, for your comments, for your views, and for all the support that you give me, guys. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate you. Until we get to see you guys again here on the water, tight lines, Jettie Rockers. We'll be seeing y'all real soon. Hey, Jettie Rockers. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.